How to send multiple PDF files as one attachment in Gmail. This tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it. First, open Gmail and tap on Compose. Now enter the recipient email, subject, and your message. After that, tap on the attachment icon and select multiple PDF files from your device. You'll notice Gmail uploads them as separate attachments. So if you want to combine PDF files into one single PDF, open your browser and search for Combine PDF Online or Merge PDF Files. You can use any free PDF merger website. For this tutorial, we'll use I Love PDF. Open the website and tap on Select PDF Files. Now choose all the PDF documents you want to merge and tap Open. Make sure the files are in the correct order because the final merged PDF will follow the same sequence. Next, tap on Merge PDF, and within a few seconds, your combined PDF file will be ready. Now download the merged PDF file. Before sending it, you can quickly preview the document to confirm all pages are included properly. After that, go back to Gmail, tap on the attachment icon again, and select the merged PDF file. And that's how you can send multiple PDF files as one attachment in Gmail.